these 5 digital products can literally pay for your entire life. You have everything that you need to start this low effort business. And just this last month, I have made over $580,000. If you are feeling the weight and the pressure of those bills hitting you this month, well, this is the fresh start you have been longing for. This is the fresh start that you have been praying for, because in this video, I am going to show you the 5 Canva templates that I use on my faceless channel that are going to pay your bills this month, 2, allow you to quit that 9-to-5 job, and 3, lead you to your freedom. You guys, I am going to show you how to make those templates right here, right now, and put them on a faceless channel for additional income, okay? So let's get into the video right now, you guys. And if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Coach Sam. I am the queen of everything faceless. Coach Sam loves faceless channels. And you guys, in just this last month, I have made over $580,000, mic drop, with my channels on YouTube and on TikTok, okay? And like I said, I am going to show you those 5 digital products that you need to start making today so that you can pay your bills, so that you can go on that vacation that you have been longing to go for, and so that you can tell your coworkers, hey, I don't need this job. My faceless channels pay my bills, okay? So before we get into the video today, I want to let you guys know that everything that you see here is already done for you. They are already pre-made for you, so that all you have to do is pick from the content that I give you, put your content on your channel, and make your money. I have created a program just for us. This is for the women and men out there who really want to change their lives and want to do it the super simple, super duper easy way. So even if you don't have any experience with social media, YouTube or TikTok or any of the social media platforms, I am going to show you how to make simple, easy, low effort, and effective channels, you guys. These channels run for me and my students like ATM machines, and I am so proud to say that my students are so successful running this strategy that I'm about to show you now. So you guys, come join us. I have my program linked in the description below. And you guys, everything that you see here is going to be linked down there. It's in the program, okay? So not only are you going to get a step-by-step course, you're also going to get all of your content already pre-made, you guys, and that's viral content to put on your channels. Then you guys, you're going to get every digital product that you see in this tutorial. And also, you guys, you are going to get our community. Our community has over 2,000 corporate women, men from all walks of life, all ages, you guys. We even have some people that are 60 and 70 years old making money from their channels, and I could not be more proud, okay? Another thing, you guys, you are not only going to get that community, y'all, the community is the key to your monetization. So in our community, we transformed our community into a grow group, and that is exactly what it is, you guys. Our community is a grow group. So in the grow group, you guys, we watch each other's videos and we follow each other so that you can go ahead and you can get monetized within the next 2 weeks. Coach Sam is doing this, and I'm doing this for you because not only do I want you guys to learn, but I want you guys to make money. I want this to pay your bills. You guys, there is nothing better than having your bills paid from YouTube and TikTok, because y'all, these platforms pay very well, okay? So before we get into that, and you guys, let me tell y'all something else. My mentorship is going to be included within the package. So every single Sunday, you guys, you are able to come into our community. We talk about everything finance, you guys, and we also talk about the stocks, okay? So I am going to help you guys set up your channel step by step. So you guys, the link for that will be in the description. And you guys, let's get to this. Let's get it moving, okay? But you guys, before we do this, let's do the inspiration of the day. And the inspiration of the day is thank God for what I prayed for. I thank God that I'm on this channel and I'm listening today because He is the person that will guide me to where I need to be. Guide me to freedom, okay? Put that in the comment section and let's get to this right now. So like I told you guys before, I'm going to show you in this video what 5 digital products I have on my channel and how you can use these on yours. And if you guys are new here, I have 5 faceless channels on YouTube and TikTok, you guys, and those 5 channels have made me $580,000 in this past month, in the past 30 days, because y'all believe that. And all of that money, you guys, well, 90% of that money comes from low effort digital products, you guys. I sell mine for $50 a pop. Some of my girls and gals are selling theirs for $125 a pop, you guys, and they are making the sale. So I want to show you guys the 5 digital products that you can put on either one of your channels. But if you're brand new, I'm going to say start off with one channel, start off with one digital product, and then build from there, okay? So let's get right into it right now. All right, so let's get to these 5 digital products that is going to pay your bills this month. And like I said, you guys, I use these products on my channel for additional income. This makes over 80% of my income. And like I said, low cost, low effort digital products will free you. They will have you telling your 9 to 5 goodbye, I'm not coming back. And you guys, these are the ones that will pay for that vacation. These are the ones that will literally elevate your lifestyle. So you guys, let's get into the 5 digital products that I have on my 5 channels. And like I told you guys before, when you're doing these digital products, you guys, I have 5 because I have 5 channels. But if you're a beginner, just pick one of these. And I am going to strongly suggest that you pick a motivational channel, because motivational channels, you guys, they do extremely well as budgeting channels, you guys. Those channels go absolutely crazy on social media. So I'm going to show you the 5 digital products that I have on my channels that you can create your own channel from, okay? So in the course, and like I said, everything that you see here, plus your content, plus my mentorship, and plus our grow group, you guys, I am going to get you monetized within 2 weeks, because I want you guys not to only do this, but I want you guys to have your freedom back. I want you to be able to tell your job, I'm never coming back. I got this. My channel is up, is running, and I am successful. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. When you're successful, Coach Sam is successful, okay? So let's get over here to the 7,000 digital products, you guys. And in here, you have your faceless content. Even though this is only 800 of those reels and shorts, you guys, in the course, you're gonna have over 3,000. This is just 800 of them, okay? But you guys, what really is going to make your business blow up and provide for you additional income, it is the planners right here. You have 120 plus planners, okay? You also, you guys, have over 800 journals. Yes, you have everything that you need to start this low effort business. And I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. And then you're going to have your 250 Canva templates. Let's go. Okay. So let me show you how to do it the really super simple and super duper easy way. So on my first channel, which is my budgeting channel, you guys, all I want you to do is you have the financial planner, you have the budget tracker planner, and then you have the budgeting planner. You guys, this was literally my second channel and it hit the moon. These budgeting trackers and planners, you guys, there are so many people out here that do not know how to budget, and everybody has a budget. So that's why they are doing obsessionally well, okay? So what you're gonna do to this budget planner, you're gonna get the budgeting planner. You're going to go to view template, okay? After you view the template, what you're going to do, and this is the super simple, easy way that you can do this for all of your digital products, you guys. You are going to go to templates. Once you go to templates, you're going to go to coaching ebook covers. Now, there's two ways to do this. If you want it 100% completely faceless, what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and you're going to ask ChatGPT to make you a logo. After you ask ChatGPT to create your logo, you are going to use that logo in one of these picture inlets, okay? Or if you want everyone to know that this is coming from you and you are branding this, you are going to go right here, you guys, into the ebook cover that has that inlet. But you guys, you're going to put your picture in there. And that's if you want to show your face. So you can do this 100% completely faceless, or you can do this as a branding. You can do branding on this, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to take this over here, and then we are going to go to replace current page. Now, if you're doing this completely faceless, go ahead, get that logo and put that logo into this picture inlet. But if you're not, what I want you to do is go to upload, okay? If you are branding this, go to upload, go get a picture of yourself. And you guys, this does not have to be a super fancy picture. As you guys know, I was in real estate, so I have professional photos, but yours does not have to be professional, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to a really nice area in your town. Go take a couple pictures, okay? Go take a couple pictures. You deserve it. But all you have to do is literally just bring that over here and change the title. That's it, and that's all. That is how super duper simple this is. Now, what you can do is either we're going to go to share, we're going to go to template link, and what you do is going to create template. So once this is created, you're going to put this on your stand store. And like I said, in the course, I show you step by step what to say, what to put in your stand store so that you're able to do this, okay? So you're going to put this into your stand store, or you're going to take this to Amazon KDP and make some money off of Amazon too. So that is my first digital product, you guys. That's my very first digital product. But let's go back and so I can show you the second, okay? So that digital product is for my budgeting channel. You guys, I also have a debt channel, okay? So with the debt channel, I go over here, and you guys, we are going to go to financial planner. You could either do the financial planner or you could do a bill tracker. It doesn't matter. So once we go over here to template, all you have to do, which is super duper simple, super duper easy. Like I said, these 5 digital products can literally pay for your entire life. They can literally free you from your 9-to-5 job. So you remember that cover we just made? Yes, you do. We're going to go right back up to you guys, we're going to go to projects. After we go to projects, you guys, we are going to go to designs, and you are going to pick out that what's called a right then and there, okay? You are going to pick out the same ebook cover, and we're going to put that right there, okay? We're going to put that same ebook cover right there. So all you have to do is move that up, okay? Move it up and change the title to your debt tracker. And there we go. Now you have the second product, you guys. Now, my third channel, you guys, is my resume channel. You guys, my resume channel was literally my my very first channel I had. There are so many people that are searching for a job. You guys, it is crazy. It is absolutely crazy. So you can sell these resume kits, which are really super simple and super easy, doing the same exact thing. So we're going to go right here to resume templates. And you guys, you're going to use these resume templates. They're already created for your customers. You don't have to do anything. When I tell you guys that I built y'all a business in a box and everything is plug and play, so that even as a beginner, you can get this, you can start rolling on it, and you can go, okay? So that is the third digital product. And you guys, these are digital products that people actually need. These are digital products that people actually want, okay? So that is the third one. Now, you guys, my fourth digital product, and it is my motivational channel. It's for my motivational channel, you guys. So with the motivational channel, you go down here to the journal pages, okay? You can do the spirituality journal. You can do the gratitude journal, the daily devotional journal. In fact, let's do that daily devotional journal, okay? So you guys, and we're gonna put some more pages on here too. So all we're gonna do, you guys, is literally change your front page. That's it, that's all, okay? So we're gonna go right down to projects. And then you guys, we are going to go to designs again. We're gonna pick this up. We're gonna pick this up, you guys, and we are going to go right here. We're gonna use this one. And then you guys, we're gonna add this as a new page, bring this one up, download it. And you guys, we're doing this in less than 5 minutes, And like I said, everything that you see here is going to be included within your course. So it makes it super simple, super duper easy, okay? So all we're gonna do, you guys, is go to the template link, and you're gonna put this in your Stand Store or your KDP. Now for the very last digital product on the channel. The very last digital product on the channel, you guys, it is for my biblical channel, okay? So what you're gonna do here, you guys, there are so many journals. So you can do the faith-based journal, you can do the abundance journal, or you could do a prayer journal, okay? So let's get into that prayer journal. Yes, we're going to go to view template. We're going to go to open editor. And once we go to open editor, you guys, we are going to go right here to projects. Once we go to projects, you guys, we are going to go right there. Listen, we are making this as simple and as easy as possible. So what we're going to do is replace the current page, you guys, and boom, you now have a prayer journal. You guys, you can do any of these. And like I said, if you're a beginner, start off with one channel, one product, and then build your way up. But like I said, you guys, these $50 digital products can change your entire life, you guys. And I am so proud. I'm so happy to be teaching this. And you guys, I'm happy to have successful students. That's my biggest thing. I am so overjoyed to have successful students. Like I said before, you guys, hurry up, grab your spot in my program, grab your place in my program, and meet me every single Sunday where I show you guys how to do this, and I show you guys really how to free yourself and make for yourself a wonderful income. Like I said, you guys, the link will be below. I love you guys, and I just want to see you be successful. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!